So you clean house?
Not fully. Because dusting still left. Cause 3 gone out of 4.
I know bad average that. So who left?
The main culprit. But find out, say I do like a move around. But me get it through the grapevine that him will come around.
So King man, a good intel you get to them a come after you.
Yeah, man. Credible source. Me was supposed to in the next round of funeral. You see?
Well, look like you have to go attend for them one.
That is being attended to as we speak.
So you left up there completely?
Yeah, man. And as you know, me off the grid for a few weeks. Cause me have to make sure at least a greater portion of them gone. You see?
Same so. I see him when we have a couple of them to deal with over here too, you know. I realize for the couple months me know about a whole heap of things are going on.
Yeah, man. It make the news. But me know you will handle that. When me that love ask you still. So your thing are going up, sir.
Yeah. That's why out to get out of hand, you know. And I followed up so to try and turn some money and deal with some business. You don't know my thing of real estate. I make real money. You understand? Me even if I buy all the property in LA too, you know. A little birdie tell me, say, boy, the spot never good. So it's a good thing I never invest my money there, so.
Yes, I am. LA is on fire.
Blazing fire. The man them burn down a city for build a new one. And they'll be ready for the Olympics.
You and I know that must have been in the works for at least 15 years now.
Yes, I am. We just glad me never get caught up in that, you see me? I'm in a day here now. There are a couple people to call up to. I realize so some machine are reaching at the place where reaching at the wrong hands. You understand?
No joke. That one we need to get on top of ASAP. Because all of the people them we know we would have governed them thing there if them thing they are reach and know where to go and wait for. Them people either not up on the ground or outside the loop.
Yeah. But based on information that I've been getting, it seems like this gone fully political. Remember, this will soon be an election here.
That make whole heap of sense. Because somebody have to have serious clout for bringing in the volume of artillery there. You overs? Yeah, man.
So tell me something. I will sit down in a Marcus Wallace seat, you know.
You know, say, he's a junior minister. Well, step up the ranks. A so-called firebrand named Daly. Yo, you may be onto something in the ranking.
Yeah. If my memory serve me right, that brother there's a brother with the mix up in a bag of things, you know. So now with the power with them game, I wonder where I'm up to next.
Rankin, you know you just provide the final major piece to the puzzle. Because, now me I think about it, you know. This whole saga with Tony Esperanza and Ratcliffe Morgan, you know. And the size of project them when them did a run off. Me know them did have somebody with clout who have them back. You know it's worth looking into though.
Yeah. I definitely want you to look into it for me. I guess with this new project me and you go kick off, we're very close to a volatile community. And we don't want no interference.
Me dip on it. Don't worry. Because what's your style at? You see if it come up on the radar, say me and you I run this business and the facts of them know them can't politicize me. Don't surprise if them want to step in.
Yeah. That's why we know it's a wise idea to make your virgin numbers want to run it off. You see me?
Yeah man. Numbers are the man for the job. We can have complete confidence in him managing it.
Yeah. But here what more you tell him now. You need to control him, woman. Because Pimp him and show me say what day a little scuffle go on between him and her out the other day. Zane, we can't have that. It's a commercial business place. You understand?